So we introduced to you all LifeStack. LifeStack are not feeling well and you write to ChatGPT the same thing. But now ChatGPT will give you just a generic response. So like that, every AI assistant will tell you to take care of yourself, but none of them will tell you which metric breaks first if you don't, or what fixing your sleep does to your work stress, or what that does to your relationship. Because they're not simulating a life, they are auto-completing one. So we wanted to build something different. We didn't want to build a chatbot, but an RL environment where the agent doesn't just say words, it makes decisions with real constraints, time, money, energy, and lives with the consequences. So we introduced to you all LifeStack. LifeStack is a multi-domain life management environment built on OpenENV. OpenENV gives us a standardized RL interface, reset, step, observe, reward. The same contract any trainer can plug into. That's what makes this an environment, not a demo. The model isn't reading text, it's acting inside a simulation and receiving a reward signal feedback. The agent wakes up to a crisis, a code merge, conflict at work, and a relationship breakdown simultaneously with a budget of time, money, and energy that depletes with every action across 6 life domains. Every action has a downstream consequence you can't fully see. Increased workload to fix the bug leads to sleep quality dropping out. Sleep quality dropping out leads to stress increasing, and stress increasing might lead to relationship score collapse as well. The cascade graph that we made has 32 directed edges with a 0.6 dampening factor per hop. You cannot prevent the propagation, that's the point. And the agent is partially blind. Hidden state, a block root, a financial pressure, a relationship about to break that the agent hasn't discovered yet, can only be revealed by spending a turn to inspect. Every inspection is a turn you didn't spend fixing a problem. That trade-off is a part of the decision. The biggest risk in any RL environment is reward hacking. The model finds a loophole in your scoring system and exploits it without solving the actual task. So we found ours first. The first version, the model learned to rest constantly. Free energy recovery, zero cost. So we added rest underscore not underscore justified, a penalty that fires whenever the agent chooses rest with energy already above 30. Exploit closed. Then it started dumping all resources into one domain. So we added cascade spread wider. Fires whenever the number of metrics that got first after your action exceeds the number you directly change. Exploit closed. Then it learned to do nothing. Just wait. Safe. No mistakes. So we made inaction always costly. Exploit closed. We ended up with 10 independent reward functions, each one closing a specific exploit we actually observed the model discover. That's not reward engineering. That's an arm race. And we ran it ourselves before the model did. Trained 1.5 billion parameters in Struct using GRPO via TRL and Unsloth through a 5-stage curriculum. The key differentiator was episodic training. The model proposes a 3-step action sequence. The real environment executes it step by step, and the reward is the full trajectory return. Not just did the first JSON pass, did the plan survive contact with the simulation. We also built a custom trainer, LifeStack GRPO trainer, that masked gradient tokens after the first complete JSON object. Instead of training on 480 tokens of explanation, we train only on the 100 tokens that actually carry the policy. That gives 3 to 5 times sharper gradient signal per step. LifeStack is fully open, training script, 4 model checkpoints and Hugging Face Hub, OpenENV manifest, collab notebook you can rerun right now. Because we didn't just build a product, we built a proper RL environment with verifiable rewards, anti-exploitation protections, and a trained model that genuinely behaves differently after. That's what real decisions look like. So yeah, do check it out. Thank you so much.